Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to solve this system equation using Cramer's rule. Now, on what you posted, you were missing the variables, and so I'm assuming it was 2x plus 2y equal 18. You just had 2 plus 2 equal 18 in summary here. So I'm thinking I went ahead and inserted the variables. I think this is what you intended. So you were wondering how in the world to use Cramer's rule to solve this. So you want to solve for x and y using this rule. For x, I'll start with the bottom. It's the easier part. For x, you're going to get a 2 by 2 determinant in the top and the bottom. And you just copy down the coefficients. You know, when you have it lined up, x, y, and the constants, you just copy down coefficients, the 2 and the 3, and the 2 and the negative 2. That'll give you the bottom determinant for both x and y. They're the same. Now the top determinant will differ. It will match the bottom one, except if you're solving for x, the first column, I'll call it the x column, it'll be the constants, the 18 and 2. The second column, the other columns, will match to the denominator. This time I'm solving for y, so in the y column you put the constants. The other column matches the denominator. So that's how you set all of these up. They all set up the same way. Now you got to evaluate these determinants. So how do you evaluate a 2 by 2 determinant? Well, the rule is you take the product of this diagonal minus the product of the other diagonal. And that's what you have here. 18 times a negative 2 minus 2 times 2. Now it's just a matter of doing the arithmetic. You know, numerator works out to negative 40. Denominator, product here, minus the other product, which works out to negative 10, and that quotient is 4. Well, the denominator came out to be negative 10. You don't have to rework that part, but here, this product is here, minus the other product, which works out to negative 50. That quotient's 5. So the solution is 4 or 5. You could check that. If you put 4 here and 5 there, you'll get 18. Put 4 here and 5 here, you'll find the answer, your answer 2. Hope this helps.